Hello guys, my name is Shivi. This is my first video and if you do like this video then please like this video, subscribe to my channel and do comment down below and share this video with your family and friends. And today I have created this nice summer makeup look which is very beginner friendly. You can also follow me on Insta. I'll leave my Insta handle in the description box below and I will leave all the links of the products that I am using today in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting off with, I'm using this Biotique toner. I really like this toner and I'm just spraying it on my face and dabbing it so that it can get absorbed easily into my skin. Next up, I'm using this Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. I really like the formula of this moisturizer. It leaves my skin with a nice glow and I would highly recommend you this moisturizer. Now I'm using this Blue Heaven Lip Balm. This is the cutest. Now I'm using this Blue Heaven Mattifying Primer. This is a silicone based primer and it makes your base super smooth for the makeup to stay on longer. For the price point of rupees 300, it is a good primer. Go for it. Moving forward, for the brows, I'm using this Lakme eyebrow pencil. So if you are a beginner, then this eyebrow pencil can be of great help to you. It comes with a price point of rupees 70 and I'm just applying it in small stroke and setting my brows with a spoolie. I really like how my eyebrows have turned out. To cover up my dark circle, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I really like the consistency of this product. It is very creamy and you just have to blend this and your dark circle are gone. Trust me. And I am in the shade Sand and I am just dabbing it and I am also applying this concealer on my eyelid to cancel out the darkness on my eyelid as well, and I am just dabbing it and look how gorgeously it has covered my dark circle. Wow. And now moving forward, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I really like this foundation. I think most of the girls have this foundation in their vanity and I'm just dabbing it on my face. It almost feels like your second skin and I'm just blending it nicely. Guys, blending is the key, so you have to blend your foundation really nicely. Guys, this foundation oxidizes a little bit, so I would recommend you to go for a lighter shade than your skin tone, and otherwise this foundation is great. And I am also using my foundation on my neck as well, because most of the people forget applying their foundation on their neck, and this is so not done. And I am also taking the same beauty blender and applying my foundation to my ear so that I can achieve a flawless finish and base. Now I'm using this Fit Me concealer, which is a shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm using this because I like to brighten up my face a little bit, so I'm just dabbing it really nicely in my skin, and this is how my base turned out. And now I'm using this Wet n Wild contour palette and I'm using the banana powder to set my face, because in summers it is really very important to set your base. And I'm just dabbing this powder very light-handedly, and if you are a dry skin person then you can skip this step. And yeah, that's it. Now taking up the same palette, I am using the contour shade and I am just chiseling out my face a little bit, and I am also applying this on my jawline to define it even more. And this is a highly blendable product, and I am also going to contour my nose a little bit. And once again, taking the same palette, I am using the contour shade to just give a little tinge of color on my eyelid. Now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush to blend in this color on my eyelid, and I'm just blending it nicely on all over my lid, and this is how my eye looks. Moving further, I'm using this Wet n Wild blush and I am in the shade Mellow Wine. This is a nice peachy blush and I really like peachy blushes a lot, and you just have to take a little bit amount on your brush at a time because it is highly pigmented. And I'm also applying this blush on my nose. Now my favorite part of makeup, highlighters. So today I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I am in the shade Molten Gold, and this is the first highlighter that I bought. This highlighter is highly blendable. This blends like a dream, and I am just highlighting my cheekbone. I just feel like I can drench myself into highlighter. This highlighter complements Indian skin tones very nicely. I am also highlighting my chin and my cupid bow, and I am also applying highlighter on my nose as well. Now highlighting my collarbone, and that's it. Now I am using this Colossal Kajal as my eyeliner. Now with the same highlighter, I am highlighting my inner corners to make my eye look brighter and even bigger. And I am also applying the highlighter on my brow bone to define my eye area, and I am using a pencil brush to do this. You can also use your finger. You can use anything in which you are comfortable. And yeah, blending and blending, and this is it. So moving on to the second last step, I'm using this Oriflame mascara. I really wanted to use the Maybelline Hypo Curl mascara because I like that one a lot, but I couldn't find it. I don't know where I have kept it, but this mascara is also nice. It gives me a quite decent length and volume to my lashes. And moving on to the last step, I'm using this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick, and I am using the shade Nude Nuance. Guys, this is the perfect nude for any kind of look, any kind of occasion, wherever you want to use this, and I just love this nude shade a lot.